Yes, Dhoni Vadas. MS, you've seen these matches here at Chinnaswamy. We've had a few between RCB and Chennai that have gone all the way down to the wire. Where do you think you might have just put a foot wrong?
I think looking at over, when I went into that with the kind of deliveries and the runs needed, I felt, I should have converted maybe a couple of more shots and that would have eased the pressure. So I would take the blame for it. Other than that, I thought, they got off to a good start. In between, we pulled it back. But, Romario Shepherd in the death over was brilliant. Whatever our bowlers are bowling, he was able to get maximum runs.
That was crucial, that final onslaught from him. But you mentioned about the bowlers. It was difficult and how well he played. Anything different that could have been done there, you reckon, in hindsight?
Well, I think we need to practice more Yorkers, because if you see more often than not, when the batsman starts to connect, then you have to rely on Yorkers and the margin of error. So if you're looking for a perfect Yorker, if that doesn't happen, a low full toss is the next best thing because it's one of the most difficult balls to hit. So I feel that's where we need to improve. And somebody like a Patirana, if the Yorkers are not happening, he has got pace, he can bowl a bouncer at the same time, keep the batsman guessing. Because at times, if he's looking for Yorker, batsmen try to line them up, and if he misses, the batsman has a chance of hitting.
You reckon, with the batsman set there, with the number of Yorkers being bowled, the paddle shot or the ramp shot would have been used a little more with the field up behind the wicket?
Well, it can be used, but, not all batters are comfortable, playing that shot. So if it comes naturally, definitely. But if not, then it becomes slightly difficult. Something that the batsmen need to practice in the new era. But at the same time, if you're not comfortable, most of our batsmen, they don't play the paddle shot. Even Jaddu plays a bit, but he's more comfortable hitting down the ground. So he was just backing his strength.
One shining light, a positive note, Ayush Mhatre. Young man, batted magnificently.
Well, he batted really well, and, it's one of those games, where we batted really well as a unit, so I felt, it was very good when it comes to the batting department. Bowling, we know, even if we go for runs, we can pull it back, one way or the other, somebody will have a good day, we'll pull it back, but batting was the area where, we were slightly behind, but today's innings, I felt, the batters as a department did very well.
Well, tough luck, MS. It'll be a tough pill to swallow, but better luck in the games coming up.
Thanks, Ravi.
Yeah, not easy, when you go all the way down to the wire. He could see he was disappointed. He wanted to finish it off. He thought he should have hit another boundary or a six out of the deliveries he faced, but sometimes it doesn't happen. You've got to give credit to the bowlers. They bowled a lot of good Yorkers. Dhoni himself mentioned they should have bowled Yorkers towards the end. But when you live, you learn. So terrific performance by RCB. And DK is with us. DK, you're like a cat on a hot tin roof at most times, but you were quiet there in the dugout, those last few deliveries. What was going through your mind?
Well, it'll take a humongous effort to stop them scoring the runs that were left in the last over, but Yash being Yash, the way he delivered, outstanding. I think it is a very good team effort. Sometimes these kind of games really uplift the mood, and we're very happy with how it transpired today.
Now, when that Syed Tyres strategic timeout took place, when RCB were batting, you were very animated in your conversation. What was the chat there? Because Romario Shepherd really came and smashed it. But what was the thought process as to where you wanted to reach after those 16 overs?
Look, we had two good batters, Jitesh, Tim David and Romario. We know what these three are capable of. So try and get the maximum out of them, but at the same time make them understand that it wasn't an easy pitch to start on. We've not had the rub of the green with the tosses, so at times it's been really hard to start on initially. It's been sticky, it's been raining here. So maybe you have to take a couple of balls, but then when you get set, make sure that you're hitting strong shots.
Ian Bishop here, DK. You said Yash being Yash. You're very cognizant of what he went through a couple years ago against Rinku Singh. Give us some insight into his personality, his work ethic, etc.
It's a good choice of word that you've used, the work ethic. I think he's right up there with some of the best that are there in India. The one thing that you see with the young crop of cricketers is how much they work hard at their cricket behind the scenes. Yash is again someone who's very diligent, will come to bowling meeting with a paper, write down everything, and he's very, very sure about what he wants to do. Yes, the execution could be up and down with him at times, but the one thing that you not get less from his effort. He always knows what to do, bowls to a plan, and when he is able to deliver his Yorkers, he feels so good about himself, and that's one of the reasons why we retained him, because he's got a special skill, and he's someone who can handle pressure well. Same game, 1 year ago, he did it for us. And yet again today, he did a nice job for us.
Yeah, you mentioned pressure. The young Suyash now, he flies under the radar. But he's someone who wants the ball in his hand in toughest of situations.
I think wrist spinners sometimes are very wary, and at times, if I can use the word, are very worried that they might get hit. I think Suyash is that kind of leg spinner who, under pressure, wants to deliver. If you see the wickets column, his name might not be there right up at the top, but I think he's the kind of spinner that India are looking for as well. Someone who can not only make it hard for the batters to score, but because he's bowled so well, Krunal Pandya has reaped the benefits of that.
Must be a great feeling, top of the table, almost there, just a centimetre away from, opening that door fully into the playoffs.